girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are and it's a new semester. 40 the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it start to feel like the feeling's faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they are to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now the talk at the corner store is I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you, cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the phone, but I love me a bitch. He on my dick and she my little secret. Trying to dish me, blow up my peeping. I can't respond with this door as you people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shovel won't be, and I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the little fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' jam, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hill, I chill with my children. The bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I thought up, they talking my artists, they making me an office. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my Carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You tryna come back when you face. I always want you to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You tryna come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real amazing. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I'll only side doors over always. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around, so same as being love. And like guns with the E.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Wiggins Hair and I absolutely love this unit. I believe that this is a water wave or maybe even like a loose wave. I'm not exactly sure, but I really like this texture and I did style this right out of the box. It is still a little bit damp, but I'm really loving this unit, you guys. It was like perfectly plucked right out of the packaging. Like it has the part already done for you. The knots are bleached. And the other thing that I really like about the knots is that they're very tiny, so you're gonna get more of a realistic look. You don't don't have to do a lot when it comes to this unit. And because I didn't want to just have this, you know, video be like 5 minutes long, I did add some baby hairs, but you absolutely do not have to do that because they plucked it so good. I did show you guys what it looked like before I added the baby hairs, and this is what this side looks like. It's just bomb and giving, and I like how like sleek and flat it is. And even though I did put the baby hairs here, you can still see the lace is A1. And the other thing I really enjoyed about this unit is that it was very quick and easy to install. Not only that, but the lace is very, very thin. So this is like, the lace is just like the main focus when it comes to this unit. They have amazing lace, and you know, Wiggins usually has like 10 out of 10 units. I've never received a wig from them that I did not like, so you guys should definitely check them out. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful texture. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm in love. And it's also very lightweight. If you're somebody that doesn't like the Jerry curly texture that looks more like an afro, like a curly afro, then this will be definitely more so your speed. It's still full, but not too thick, and it's not too thin either. It's just like literally right in the middle. And like I said, this unit is still a little bit damp, so it's not like in its full dry state, but nonetheless, they definitely did their thing with this. And there's actually a lot of parting space on this unit. Let me show you guys. Here on this side, you get that much, and then on the very side, it still goes back pretty far, you know what I mean? And I really like the fit to it because I didn't have to cut a lot of the lace off. Normally I have to cut like a huge section of the lace off, especially around my ears, but I didn't have to do that with this unit. So that's another thing that I like. And if you don't want to, you can definitely get away with doing a glueless install with this because it does come with both the adjustable elastic band, and it comes with the adjustable straps in the back, and it comes with combs. So I'm happy about that because I don't like when they have like these glueless units and then they don't put the strap in the back, so then the back part feels like all loose, and sometimes like the unit doesn't lay down as flat as it could because it's like sticking out from like just being adhered by the adjustable elastic band and not the strap in the back. But this one has like everything, so I love the construction of this one. And mind you, this is straight out of the box. Like, I'm really blown away how they make these units perfect out of the box. They make it perfect for beginners. If you don't know how to style these units, like, you don't have to know how to do it, and you can save yourself a lot of money. You don't have to worry about going to spend, you know, hundreds of dollars at the salon to get your hair done and retouched and all of that. This is like, you know, beginner proof because you don't have to do the baby hairs. You just put the unit on, you put your, you know, you can either use the Got To Be gel, or you can use the Ebon Lace spray. Either one of those will work just as fine, and then you're good to go. This is the parting space. Like I said, it looks very natural. Let me zoom you guys in. Super natural looking. Like, I love, 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 love the lace on here. Like, look at that. Like, right here, it is like a line of demarcation, but I promise you, if I didn't have makeup on, you probably wouldn't even see that. But like, yeah, it's definitely giving scalp all the way through. You know what I'm saying? And you don't have to bleach the knots or anything like that. I didn't even put concealer in my part today. Like, for reference, I am 5'2". This is where it's hitting on me. Let's turn to the side. That's what it looks like from the side, and then the back. Gorgeous, love it, no complaints whatsoever. The great thing about this kind of texture is that it's going to be more on the lower maintenance side, and it's not going to get like all tangled up, matted, shedding and all of that. You will have way less shedding with a unit like this versus like a curlier unit, because the curlier it is, the more likely it is to shed. So I love the fact that this one is still curly. It gives you a nice light wave kind of curl, and you don't have to do much to make it look good. There's no need to brush the curls out, put a bunch of product on it. You don't need any product. The only thing that I have on this hair right now is water, and that's it. So shout out to Wiggins for sending me this unit. Absolutely love it. I think a lot of you guys will love it as well. If you're interested, a direct link will be linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't want to talk your ear off too much, so if you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.